Get ready to dive into the thrilling world of your brain, the ultimate supercomputer more powerful than you ever imagined. Here are 8 incredible facts about the human brain that will leave you in awe. First up on our list. Did you know your eyeballs are actually part of your brain? That's right. They're the only part of your brain that you can see. Your optic nerve and retina are made of the same neural tissue as your brain and are directly connected to your central nervous system. In fact, during embryonic development, your eyes literally grow out of your brain. Wild, right? Because of this deep integration, eye health can sometimes reveal early signs of neurological conditions. For example, diseases like multiple sclerosis or MS can show up in the optic nerve before other symptoms appear. So your eyeballs aren't just windows to the soul, they're windows to brain health too. At number 2, you're in for quite a shocker. Your brain has 0 pain receptors. That means your brain itself can't feel pain. Pain is detected by special sensory neurons called nociceptors, found in the skin, muscles, and organs. But guess what? The brain is completely nociceptor-free. So where do headaches come from? The pain actually arises from outside the brain, like the meninges, its outer covering, blood vessels, or even muscles in the head and neck. And this is why neurosurgeons can perform brain surgery while the patient is wide awake. No pain receptors mean no pain from the brain itself, just local anesthesia for surrounding tissues. Mind-blowing, right? Coming in at number 3. Every heartbeat sends a surge of blood straight to your brain. But did you know that a whopping 20 to 25% of your entire blood supply goes directly to your brain every time your heart pumps? Even though it only accounts for about 2% of your body weight, it sucks up this massive amount of blood to fuel your thoughts, power your memories, and keep every function in your body running smoothly, 24/7. And this is critical. Your brain needs constant oxygen and nutrients. Even a few minutes without proper blood flow can cause serious brain damage. So, staying hydrated, eating brain-boosting foods, and keeping your heart healthy also means taking care of your brain. At number 4, your brain is ridiculously fast. So fast that its signals can travel at a mind-blowing 350 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula 1 race car and nearly half the speed of sound. When a neuron is stimulated, it generates an electrical impulse that zips between cells at lightning speed, making it one of the fastest communication networks in existence. Without this high-speed system, even simple reflexes would feel like slow motion. Imagine touching a hot stove and not pulling your hand away instantly. Instead, you'd sit there for an extra second, feeling the burn before your brain finally tells your muscles to move. That split-second delay could mean the difference between a minor ouch and a serious injury. This ultra-fast neural network is what helps athletes react in the blink of an eye. Drivers slam the brakes just in time, and gamers make split-second decisions. Your brain speed isn't just impressive, it's essential for survival. Speaking of neurons, and coming in at number 5, did you know that your brain is packed with around 86 billion of them? That's the same number of stars in the Milky Way, all inside your head. Each neuron is connected to thousands of others, creating a vast web of communication that makes thinking, remembering, and moving possible. It's one of the most sophisticated and powerful networks in the universe. As renowned neuroscientist V.S. Ramachandran once said, the number of possible combinations and permutations of the human brain activity exceeds the number of elementary particles in the universe. And the best part? Your brain is constantly rewiring itself, constantly learning, adapting, and evolving throughout your life. So keep challenging it with new experiences and skills, and watch your brain get even more powerful. At number 6, did you know that your brain's blood vessel network is so incredibly vast that if you laid out end to end it would stretch over 100,000 miles? That's not just a big number. It's mind-blowing when you put it in perspective. Imagine this. The entire circumference of the Earth at the equator is about 24,900 miles. That means your brain's intricate network of blood vessels could wrap around the planet 4 times. That's like taking a road trip around the world. Not once, not twice, but 4 full laps, without ever leaving your own head. These blood vessels act like a high-speed delivery service, constantly transporting oxygen, glucose, and essential nutrients straight to your brain cells. So the next time you have a deep thought or solve a tricky problem, just remember, there's a whole 100,000-mile-long superhighway in your brain working tirelessly to keep you sharp. Incredible fact number 7. Your spinal cord is like the brain's main information highway, transmitting messages from your brain to the rest of your body, and vice versa. Every movement, sensation, and thought is made possible because of this intricate communication system. When you want to move your arm, your brain sends a signal down your spinal cord, through nerves and to the muscles, telling them to move. It's a constant, lightning-fast exchange of information that allows you to think, react, and perform everyday tasks. But what happens when these information highways get blocked? Diseases like ALS and MS can damage the spinal cord, disrupting the flow of signals between the brain and the body. This can cause serious movement issues like muscle weakness, paralysis, and difficulty with coordination. These conditions remind us just how vital the spinal cord is in keeping our bodies connected to the brain. It's not just about physical movement, it's about communication, coordination, and the ability to interact with the world. Coming in at number 8. Have you ever wondered what is happening in your brain while we are asleep? While you're off in dreamland, your brain isn't just resting. It's busy sorting and organizing memories, strengthening the connections from everything you've learned that day, and even solving problems you didn't even know you had. That's right, your brain acts like a super efficient personal assistant, tidying up all the mental clutter and making sure everything's in its place. It's like your own internal filing system, storing away what you need and discarding the rest. But wait, it gets even cooler. Your brain also uses sleep to come up with solutions to problems you've been struggling with. You know those aha moments when you wake up with a great idea? Yep, that's your brain doing some overnight brainstorming. So next time you wake up with a brilliant idea, or feel like you've learned something new overnight, thank your brain for its overnight hustle. And that's it. 8 incredible facts about your brain. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing science.